pretty much going to be the main car of the channel for now. Here it is, 05.
Hi. What's up, guys? Grande latte.
Can I get one grande latte?
Hot.
Yeah,
Hot.
so it's gonna be okay. Grande hot.
What's up, guys? My name is Gerard.
My name is Andre.
And your last name is Grande.
Yep, Grande boys.
Welcome to our channel. Hope you guys stick around. We got a lot of fun things planned.
We're going to the South OC Cars and Coffee right now. We're about half an hour out, so.
Hopefully we see a lot of cool cars there. Always a lot of rare cars. So, yeah.
Stick around. We're doing a walk around of our new C6 Corvette as well. So.
What's up, guys? We've arrived
At the Cars and Coffee, South OC. Lots of nice cars, so we'll walk around and show y'all all the nice cars for today. That looks crazy. Yeah. One day.
the BMW. That purple's nice.
That purple is nice.
He wrote calm on the side.
Yep, a genuine M4 cop, guys. That's funny. This is your one?
Yep. Dang, that was crazy.
That is very nice. What's the difference between a normal C6 and a 01 again? The supercharger?
Yeah. Wide body. Dude, I love this one.
Yeah, that looks nice. Oh. Slammed on the floor. Gerard, which tax bracket are we entering?
Definitely not ours. We are far from this tax bracket. Yes.
One day?
Not a Cayman. I mean, Caymans are cool, but
I want the GT3.
Oh, the 01 from last time. He's got the whole list right there.
Of his mods?
Nah, it's just of the car.
Oh. Is he selling?
Is that GP race? I don't know what that is. It's STO. That thing looks crazy. I wonder if it's boosted.
What's on the roof?
I think it's turbo. It's like, that's the trend. Oh, it is boosted, I'm pretty sure. It's going from the back. Oh yeah, it is the sheepy race.
What's unique with the sheepy race?
Look at the turbo.
It's a giant turbo. Look at those massive turbos. Ferraris?
Ferrari. That's funny.
Funny license plates. Ferrari.
See, this is a 720. See how you can just
yeah,
tell?
you can just tell. They just look way crazier.
Yeah.
They're active arrow?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
It follows the design of a P1. Oh, F40.
Oh, old school Raris.
The electric car division from Volvo. Finally, stop by and see Sarah. Like I said, we had sweatshirts on special today, marking from $85 to $50. Courtesy of the PDM brand, one of our fine sponsors. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us at South Hills Cars and Coffee.
It's crazy looking.
Wild. I want to hear them.
I know.
We should have a portion of the Cars and Coffee where it's just
Just
all revving.
And how to get the
Sound
cops
like
to
F1. I know.
shut it down instantly. Damn, the GT500s look so mean.
I know. I see a lot of TikToks of these.
Look at those, the brakes.
Jeez.
It's the size of my wheels.
Big old Brembos. All right, Honda fans. S2000s, NSX. I do want an NSX one day. If I'm gonna own an old school JDM, if I could find one that doesn't cost $1 million, this would be the car. Probably. It's V6, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's nice.
I might have a Supra one day. See how common it is though. What color should I get? I think white.
You want white?
Or what's this one? Are they the same?
The Arctic white?
Yeah.
I think they're different.
They're definitely different.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but they're semi-different.
Yeah, it's like more gray.
Yeah. See us on a Supra one day. Look good, bro. Oh, it's upside down, but. Don't you want one of these?
Yes, sir. Putting LS in it.
This might be his
100%.
only JDM car one day. Oh, there's a GTR, another dream car. I think it's a dream car for a lot of people.
It's the base model dream car.
Yeah. It's the first dream car of every teenage guy that is into JDMs. We're pulling up. While going There's the blackened out side marks.
Yeah, that's what we need to get.
Yeah. Oh, interior is clean.
Beautiful.
I think it's a sign. Superchargers.
Now, why don't we just get one of these?
All right.
Sorry.
We'll make a car crazy, sell it, and then. So for that money,
That thing's mean.
very nice.
That's my favorite car.
Yeah.
There you go.
New favorite car.
Alright, gonna get some food.
Burritos.
What's up, guys? It's gonna be a walk around of my new to me 05 Corvette. Pretty much gonna be the main car of the channel for now, and it's gonna be just pretty much a walkthrough of it, just to see everything that's been done to it, which is not much, and just everything that we're gonna be working with. Here it is, 05. It's pretty much garage kept. Just a few things here and there that, of course, need a little bit of love, little tender love and care. This car is the 3LT package, or 1SB for the time, but it's pretty much the 3LT. In the later years, it's got the heads-up display. It has, well, I'm not sure what else they come with. I think the polished wheels are one, but I'm not too sure if those all had it. But this does have the manual transmission. There's a Tremec T56 in it. And since this is an 05, it does have the LS2. Very well kept car. One owner.
80,000 miles?
Yeah, 80,000 miles. It's got 2 roofs. It's got the glass roof right here, and I also have the paint matched roof.
It doesn't look transparent from this angle, but if you go from below it, it is transparent.
Yeah, it's got the blue glass roof. The old owner already put in a Borla exhaust. It is a Borla touring exhaust, so it's not exactly the loudest thing. It's pretty quiet. Want to go ahead and put headers in a tune. That's going to wake up this car a lot and finally be able to hear it, because right now it's very disappointing.
Much needed sound.
Yeah, definitely needs the growl all the Corvettes have. But for the most part, everything in this car is really, really good. Like, it's pretty mint for 2005. A few things here and there, like I think the driver's side marker for this one doesn't work, but we'll be replacing those
with dark side markers, right?
Yeah, we're gonna put in some smoked ones, and we'll have a video on that of refreshing everything in this car. And little interior, it's got the Among Us steering wheel. It does have the Bose sound system too, which is really nice, and it's got the, I think it's the 8-way adjustable seats,
but no aux just yet.
Yeah, it doesn't have an aux. I've been listening to
or Bluetooth.
I have the little FM transmitter, so that's the only thing that's keeping me sane when I drive this car every day. We have new headlight lenses in my house right now that we're gonna put on, and gonna get some new badges. I'm thinking of getting some of the blacked out badges.
What about this B? Is this part of the build?
Yeah, he's our friend. He sticks on there all the time.
Mm-hmm.
And as for the wheel color,
it's about 10 horsepower.
This one has a lot of curb rash on it, so definitely want to get these painted and fixed later on. But I don't know if I want to do a different color. Let us know down below. I'm also still thinking if I want to put a wing on it, the ZR1 wing. We'll see. Gonna be painting those calipers too. Got the little Prius color calipers right now.
Stop's pretty good though.
Yeah, still 4-piston brakes.
And it's a 3,000-pound car, so
super light. Yeah.
Super light. Stops pretty decently.
Gonna be changing out the intake in there as well.
Gonna pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
So it is the 05, so it does have the LS2 engine in it. It's got this Hurricane intake that's been causing me a lot of issues. I'm pretty sure the car just needs a tune because of it. They get a whole new MAF in it. But yeah, LS2 has got the 400 horsepower, 400 torque. Not the wildly popular LS3, but I mean, this will do. This is still, I got such a good deal. There's no reason not to get it. Now this car just needs a little bit of, just a few mods to wake it up. So we're planning to do a full track build, not exactly a drag build, but we want to take it to Willow Springs, Street to Willow, like those type of events, and just do a full on, like, pretty much a grip.
And canyon runs.
Yeah, a few canyon runs here and there.
Lots of fun.
But that's the beautiful thing about these cars is they can kind of do both. It can be a drag car when you want it. It can be a race car when you don't. All right, guys, so I hope you guys stick around in our channel just as we build this entire thing. It's going to be a process, but it's going to be really fun. We have a lot of events planned, you know, going through canyon runs, random car meets like you saw this morning, night meets, and just whatever comes our way. We just want to record it.
Got a lot of adventures, I guess, planned up, so should be a lot of fun.
Yeah, and just building this car is going to be a blast. It has so many things you could do to it.
So we'll be recording that whole thing, and eventually, hopefully in a couple months, you'll see the full transformation of the C6.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching.
See you guys next week.
See you guys next week. Peace.